Kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you a cool new tip about using your AirPods using live listen mode on your iOS device. With live listen, your iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch can act like a microphone that sends sound to your AirPods, AirPods Pro, AirPods Max or even Powerbeats Pro. Live listen can help you hear a conversation in a noisy area or even hear someone speaking across the room. To use live listen with your AirPods, AirPods Pro or AirPods Max, first you need to connect your AirPods to your iPhone as you normally do. Then to use live listen, you need to add it to Control Center. Go to Settings, Control Center. Now scroll down and tap the green Add button next to the Hearing button. Come out of Settings and open Control Center on your iPhone. You will see a new hearing icon. Tap and hold it. Tap Live Listen to turn it on. You can also see your headphones audio levels in real time as you are listening to the content. That's it. Now let's try if it's working. I will tap on the table. As you can see, the audio signs picking up showing the feature is working. Now let's play some music and see if it picks up the sound. And yes, as you can see the fluctuation in audio signs, it means it's picking up the sound of music. In the same way, you can keep your iPhone anywhere and hear the surrounding sound with your earphones. Even if you're at a distance or in another room, ideally up to 30 feet to hear the sound clearly, make sure to adjust the volume on your device if you can't hear it well enough. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Also, do share this video with your friends and family. I will really appreciate it. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also, click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.